Hi, good evening, my dear beautiful ladies and gentlemen. Once again, I am back to my kitchen, and today is Mother's Day. So, I feel like preparing something very special, being Mother's Day. I am preparing a little bit of mutton curry. Let me show you how it is getting prepared. Here it goes. Onion and masala, everything is getting ready. Yes, my way of preparing is completely different from others. I already put the tomato and I will wait for this to be smashed nicely. Okay, so like this. There are different ways to prepare the mutton curry or any curry. It depends on the way that we think it is good to be tasty. So there is no one who can tell that this is the only way, that is the only way, but there are so many ways we can prepare the curry that we want. So I am also following this like that only. Mutton is here. I already mixed some masalas and other things and I kept almost half an hour. I also put the chili, green chili. So it goes like this. Looks tasty. Yeah, this is going to be very very tasty. I believe. Yes. A little preparation today. Yes, I already mixed. Keep for sometimes like this. I like to mix potato always. I like potatoes, so I always mix potato in all the curries. So like that. See, keep it for 5 to 10 minutes like this until the water subsides. So friends, yeah, this is my day to prepare, and this